Hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download the software upgrade package from the website and install it in your infotainment system. So this is the website which I have added in the description. Okay, here you see a lot of Kia models are there. We are concerned about Seltos, and it has to be 2021 Seltos and 2000 or 2022. I did it for my 2021 version Seltos, and this is the software version. As you can see, sp2.usa something, and this is a download link. So once you click on download, it's going to download one package. As I've already downloaded it, I'll just hit cancel and I'll show you the downloaded file. So this is the downloaded file. It's almost 1 GB, as you can see. So next step is, once this is downloaded, open this. This is a zip file, and there is one more zip file embedded into it. Don't open it, just click on copy and paste it in your external pen drive. So the pen drive should be of minimum 8 GB. So this is my pen drive and already pasted it. So please note, you don't have to paste the downloaded file, but you have to open the downloaded file and copy the file within it, which is this one. So once it is downloaded, then the instructions are pretty much straightforward, and you can find it in this document also, in this link also. So what you have to do is first insert the pen drive into the USB port. Okay, so there are two USB ports, enter and put the pen drive into the middle one where you see the light. There is a LED light within it. Okay, just insert the pen drive into it, click on setup, go to software info, and here you see the update button, right? Just click on update button, and it will give you some instruction, like it will just say like it's going to copy the update or something. You have to just click on OK if it is asking the same. Okay, please note that you have to keep your vehicle on. The ignition should be on during this complete process. If you turn off the ignition in between, then there may be some data loss or the software may also get corrupted. So please make sure, like, just park your vehicle and turn on the ignition, and after that follow this activity. Okay, so you inserted the pen drive, you clicked on general, then under software update info, just click on update, and once you click on update, it's going to take around 20 to 25 minutes to upgrade the software version. Yeah, so this was the pop-up which I was talking about. So it will ask you yes or no. So you have to just click on yes, and here they mentioned 10 to 15 minutes, but for me it took 20 to 25 minutes. And once the update is completed, your infotainment system screen will again restart, and it will take it to the normal, like, normal home page. And once the upgrade is done, just turn off the ignition and restart the touchscreen after turning on the ignition. So you should see the Android Auto option, Android Auto widget, which I have mentioned in the existing video which I've already uploaded. So once you follow this process, you can just watch my next video to see how to use the new upgraded software. Yep, so that's it. And one more thing to add, this and like none of the dealership has officially given confirmation like there is a software update available. I also checked with the 2-3 dealership if they are aware about this upgrade, but they said my system was already up to date and they don't have any official notification from Kia regarding the new software update. So this is just a workaround to upgrade. So basically it's a US version software, but for me it properly works without any issue, and no setting or nothing is changed. So yeah, I mean, just the point is, this is not the official what I say, upgrade offering from Kia. This is for USA customers, but I did from my end. So yeah, I mean, if you if you want to try out, you can try, but there might be some risk which I am not aware of as of now because I just upgraded, I think 2 days back. So yeah, if you want to play around with it, yeah, you can try. As per my initial results, it works properly fine. But yeah, as soon as I see any issue or some any bug or some jitter, then I will let you know in my next video. But yeah, you yeah, you will be responsible if any something happen.